Hello, my name is Katarina Alvarado. I observed at Hoover High School, and while I was there, I mainly observed freshman biology classes with children that range in the age of 13 to 14 years old. The environment. On campus, the buildings were about manila color and had green trimming around them. There was a lot of greenery on campus, such as many trees, and there was about 40% of the campus being grassy areas that the children played in. The other 60% was concrete, as to be assumed. The main building that I took note of was the office. It was very big compared to any other office I've seen on high school campuses, and it had a lot of staff working inside of it. There was about 10 cubicles for staff to work at, and a very big lounging area. Students. There was a wide array of students at Hoover High in which I observed. Their personalities, races, and backgrounds were relatively different, as to be assumed. In my host classroom, the main problem that we had was behavior. It was hard to get the students to pay attention or act properly in class. However, throughout the time of observing that I've been there, there's certain things that have been improving as I listed below in bulletin. Teacher. The appearance of my teacher was different from day to day. However, he had two main styles. One was casual. What I mean by casual is he would show up in a shirt that said Hoover High on it and just wear jeans and cowboy boots. Other days he would dress up in a button-up and a tie, which was his more professional days. In the classroom, he would be very stern with the children because of their behavior. He had to be. However, if they had good behavior, he would joke around and smile with them and had a more relaxed time. Thank you for watching and listening to my video. Bye-bye.